guys, two things before we start this video. Number one, I am extremely drowsy and also feeling slightly dizzy from yesterday's B12 injection. That's a whole another story. I don't think I've mentioned here on my YouTube, but yeah, so this video probably will be all over the place. I cannot focus on my viewfinder right now. And secondly, I'm extremely nervous. Not extremely nervous, but I'm still nervous because I don't know, I'm just going through a lot of emotions right now. I don't know if I'll have this mentioned in the intro already or not, but basically Nikhil's parents are coming today. For those of you who are new to my channel, Nikhil is my boyfriend and their parents are coming today. It's not like I've not met them before. I have, but it was 3 years ago, and of course pandemic mein to we really have not met. So I'm a little nervous. I am going to do something super simple, but the products I'm going to use today are not going to be new products. They're going to be the products that I really trust, and I'm going to go for slightly simpler look, of course. So I don't know if you guys will be interested in this video. I will be doing like a talk through. I'm not gonna do voiceover video, just because I'm going through a lot of emotions right now, and I feel like if I talk it out, I'm gonna feel better. So yeah, with that addressed, let's get started. I Dysoned my hair. Oh my god, this looks horrible on camera. I don't know why. This was not my color of choice with lip balm, but this is what I could just quickly grab. So anyway, so with a hair situation, I've Dysoned it, so I think it looks nice and voluminous. So my hair is pretty much sorted. Let's start with what do I want to start with? I think I'm gonna start with my base first. No, actually I'm gonna start with my eyebrows first. So see, I'm telling you, this is I don't feel myself at the moment. I am super drowsy, like I mentioned. I don't know if I'm drowsy or dizzy. Like things are not clear to me right now. My head is not clear, so I'm going to start with just filling in or penciling my eyebrows ever so slightly. I've already used my Makeup Revolution soap styler, and after doing that I realized that maybe this sort of eyebrow look might be a little too progressive for them. I don't know, but I don't know if they're used to seeing people with eyebrows like this, you know what I mean? So yeah, but then this will hopefully drop in some time, so I think I should be okay. I'm not filling in this section right here. I'm only filling in this because this is where I want a little bit of shape. So after that I will be using my Blue Heaven Sculpt and Set Brow Gel. This is in the shade grey. I'm having hard time speaking. I'm so sorry. I don't know if I'm gonna put this video on YouTube. Maybe when I edit I'll be like, why did I even record? So if you're seeing this, it's probably, I don't know why. I don't know where I was going with that. I just lost my train of thought. So I'm going to use my Renee oil. I'm not going to use a full drop of this. I will use very little. Actually, I did take one drop, but I'll not use this all over my face just because it's slightly hot right now. It's actually very hot in Bangalore. I mean, not really if you compare it with other cities, but it's getting really hot here as well. So I'm going to take like super little of this and just focus this here, because this is where my foundation starts to collect with time. So I'm going to use this just over here, probably on my under eyes, because why not, and a little here. Do I want to use something? Yeah, actually I will go with my Gush Glow Getter Illuminating Moisturiser on the rest of my face, because why not? Let's go for a glowy look. And this is just enough glowy. This is not too glowy, this is not invisible glowy, this is just enough glowy. So I think this will look glowy but also natural. Also I need to change my nail color. I have run out of my polish remover. What a perfect time, right? To be running out of my polish remover. but Gudu is out just shopping a few things. What a shame. Like, I'm here at home just because of that bloody injection, but also that was super important, so what can I even say. Anyways, so yeah, I think I will just put it all over my face. Why not? Okay, I hope that is all well blended. Let me take a quick look. Yes, it looks blended. Nice. For my base, I'm of course not going to do foundation because I think that will be a little too much. Also, I don't think I have the brain capabilities to blend a foundation right now. So Gudu is calling me. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so where did I stop? Yeah, so I'm gonna use my Blue Heaven hydrating skin tint with hyaluronic acid, and I'll use it with this brush. This is the pack 353 brush. Let's see, I've had this brush for a long time and I always forget about it. I think this is actually meant for something liquidy, so I don't particularly like this brush though. I feel like it's very pokey. This is the only brush from pack that I'm not in love with, but I like using it just because, I don't know, it's like a dense brush, slightly smaller. Okay, this brush is not doing it for me. I'm gonna use my Mars Beauty Blender, Wonder Blender, not Beauty Blender. I like this tint because it really just enhances your skin. You can see everything else. You can see my marks, you can see my acne, but it just enhances your skin, and I really like that about this tint. For concealer, I am super confused because I feel like every Saturday that I get this injection done, whatever, you get the point. My under eyes look, or basically this area looks super tired, or maybe it looks tired because I'm just sleepy. I don't know what it is. So I'm confused if I should go for slightly fuller coverage, or I'm confused. So today, instead of using my Blue Heaven Erase and Enhance, which would have been my ideal choice in this scenario because I'm going for slightly, you know, makeup sort of look, not really, but you know, like I'm trying to go for a light makeup look, that would have been perfect. But like I said, I feel like I look really tired, so my choice of concealer for today is these two. Sorry if the frame changed, you guys. I'm just having a hard time finding things right now. I'll be setting my concealer in place using the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. By the way, I don't think I mentioned, but this is not what I'll be wearing, of course. Why did I say of course? Of course you could still wear this. Point is, I'm not wearing this. I'm only wearing this for the video because I just want to see what sort of makeup I want to do. Just for the feels of it, because I'll ultimately be wearing yellow, I think. So I have enough. Let's set this in place. I love this stuff. So good. So for bronzer, I think I will go with the PAC Studio HD Concealer in the shade Fresh Brew. I'll show you closer look of how the shade looks like. So that's the shade. I don't know if let's see. I'm gonna pick some of it on my sponge and then focus it here. Okay, is it looking nice? I think it's looking nice. I'll blend this out, of course. I don't know how I'm blending this because I really cannot see things clearly in my viewfinder. I chugged like a glass of coffee. Glass nahi tha. Cup tha. A cup of coffee, but it really did not help. I don't know what I should do. My parents kept saying to sleep a little bit more, But I did go to bed really early last night just because I was feeling the same way yesterday also. So I don't want to sleep either. So confused. Now of course I cannot sleep because I'm doing my makeup. I mean after this, you know. So I think bronzer is done. Oh my god, I feel like this video will turn out too long because of how much I'm chatting. Whatever is left, I'm going to just put that on my nose, on the sides of my nose. Bronzer is done. I might even skip powder bronzer because this looks really nice at the moment. At least let's see how the look comes together at the end. Now for blush, I am confused because I have so many options. I want to use these the Makeup Revolution ones, but I feel like these are a little too pigmented for the state I'm in right now. You know, it might be a little difficult for me to blend at the moment. So I think I'll use the K-Beauty blush because that one is buildable. Let me again find it. I have no idea where it is right now. Found it. Let's use this. I will be using this again with my sponge. I feel like nowadays I'm loving using sponge with everything, like everything. I don't think I'm using even a brush right now. So sponge is the way to go today also. And for highlighter, I'm not in the mood for a real highlighter, so I'm going to use the same Gush Glow Getting Illuminating Moisturiser, and I'm just going to use this on tops of my cheekbones and other highlighting areas. I'm again going in with my sponge because I'm telling you, I just don't have it in me to be blending things with my fingers. So love this. Look at the glow. I am now going with my PAC mineralized lightening powder. I don't know why they say lightening, but this is in the shade Light Sand. I am stammering today, am I? I think I am. So I'm gonna do actually I'm doing a lot. I should stop. And I'm just going to like ever so slightly just like dust it, especially over here. You see, even after using this, the glow is still intact. I really like this because, like I said before as well about this product, when you're spending so much time and effort getting that glow, you don't want to ruin it with like a matte compact or something. So this really comes in handy in such situations. Now for my eyes, this is where I am super confused. I of course don't want to do a lot, but I want to do something for sure. So I'm going to use my Maybelline gel liner. I'm going to do, actually before I go there, I'm going to use just any bronzer, right? Any bronzer. This is what I just grabbed, and I will use this on my crease first because I'm not going with like a eyeshadow palette or anything. I want to keep it simple and just lay this color down on my crease. So now that I have some color on my eyes, I'll use my gel liner from Maybelline on Pro Art AE26 brush, and this might be too big actually. That's fine, I think I can manage. And I'm just going to lay this extremely close to my lash line. Let's see if I can do it today. Just like that. Now to add ever so slight drama to this, I'm gonna use NYX Cosmetics shadow. I know I've been using these a lot lately, but these are fun. Honestly, these are so fun. I think I'm gonna use the shade Secret, the green one, and I'm just going to lay this on top of it. I think it can probably look bad, but I want to do something different, you know, something different. So I'm gonna take some of this. Also, this is Duochrome, so the base of this is maroon red, so I think this is gonna look cool. That looks nice. I don't know how much you're able to see that on camera. I'll come closer. And for lashes, for mascara, you already know it has to be these two. I'm going to use the Super Sizer volumizing one first and then the lengthening one. I love this combination. If you have been watching my channel for a while, you would already know. Now mascara is also done, and I was thinking maybe I can do a little bit of something on my lids, ever so slightly. So I have this liquid eyeshadow from theBalm Cosmetics. This is in the shade Champagne, and what I was thinking is today is not my day. Anyways, I was still able to get some of this out, so I was thinking I can just use or like put some of this on the back of my hand, and with the help of my finger I would just like dab it. I'm not gonna swipe for full pigmentation, but I'm going to just dab this on my lids. Let's see how that goes, because right now it's not bad, but I just want a little bit of something more. So I like that so much better now. I feel like it really brightened up my eye and opened my eye. So I'll finish or do the same thing on this eye, and I'll be back to do the lips. So for lips, I am going to skip lipstick again for the same reason. I'm instead going with my Revolution Baby Tint in the shade Blush. I honestly use this so much, and this just fits right into this makeup look today. So I'm going to use this first. Also my lip is extremely chapped, so I will top it off with another lip gloss from KIRO. On top of this, I'm using my KIRO Super Butter Lip Lacquer in the shade Nude Nectar 02, only because I want to add a little moisture. My lip is extremely dry and this will do just that. So I had forgotten that this is so pigmented and this completely covered up that lip tint, but either ways it still looks really nice. So that completes the makeup look. I don't know if I'm gonna insert the final look, let's see, but this is essentially my makeup look for today. I'll just add very minimal jewelry, just earrings, change the outfit. I will be wearing yellow, and I think this fits just perfectly with a yellow outfit. So that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up. You can subscribe to the channel. You can click on the bell notification right next to it. You can also follow me on Insta right over here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.